guess what? I've just climbed a mother mountain. It's like right behind the hotel, and it's a pretty high mountain. Like I can see everything from up here. It's amazing. And I'm just sitting here on a pile of rock eating my sandwich. Wow, what an experience. Look at this view. Got my sandwich. Crazy. I'm all the way on the top of the mountain. And I can just see the hotel right down there. So small and little. Okay, so I got my roommate to film me down from the hotel, and you can see the clips right here. It's also pictures. Maybe it's pictures. I don't know. Been here up here for an hour now. I could literally live with this view. Yes, it was a nice hike. I'm gonna do it again another day. Maybe I will climb the mountain there if it is possible. No one knows. This was the trail I made on my way to the mountain. Looks like Bigfoot has been here. I'm just drowning with my snowshoes. Almost falling.
Right, my plan was to go to drive up a mountain, to walk a bit and watch the view, which is almost a 360 view. But the thing is, I have slightly a problem. There's ice on the road, which results in the fact that my car is sliding vertically on the road. So I fuck my life. Shit! And there's no one around here. Oh well. Shit happens. Oh god. So, but the thing is, I have to use the ice, so maybe I can push the car or pull it somehow. Now, wish me luck to get the car even down. So far so good. Well, since Josephine and I decided to climb a mountain, I thought by myself, I'm also going to climb a mountain. Already a very nice view. But I'm not done yet. Josephine, while you're eating your sandwich, I'm eating my homemade cookie. Yeah. With this view. Wow.